This is the kind of stuff that makes you sleepy.
You hear the thunder and lightning, you hear the rain on the roof, and you're just like, yeah, I'm just going to hang out in bed until the dog jumps in bed with you, and then you know that it's a little bit of a problem. Now, we did have this heavy rain, especially through the morning and midday time frame. You can kind of see it out to the west, moves over the Metroplex, and now most of that heavy rain is to the east of the area right now. And what it's done is it's kind of worked over the atmosphere here in North Texas. So we're not seeing a ton of new development. Different story in Central Texas. You can kind of see if you were going to be traveling south on I-35 from Waco to Salado, seeing that heavy rain and storm activity. And then there are actually some severe thunderstorm warnings in the San Marcos area, and they're continuing to move to the east as well. So I don't think we have to be concerned with all of this really far to the south, kind of closer to the I-10 corridor, but we do have to watch this development in Central Texas, you know, from Waco to Austin, especially considering maybe some of that clips some of our southern and southeastern counties. And that is why the tornado watch was issued for those southeastern counties. It's through 9 o'clock, so it includes Limestone and Henderson counties and then everyone else a little farther to the south. This does not include the Metroplex, most of North Texas not included in this. This is more of a Central Texas down towards a Southeast Texas as well area. You can see not including the Houston area, but that tornado watch through 9 o'clock. We do have this flash flood watch in place, though, and you will note that it's now through 7 o'clock in the evening tomorrow, so they've actually extended it by 12 hours. Not a huge surprise. And we may even see this get extended a little bit longer because look at all the rainfall we've seen over the last 48 hours, just substantial amounts. I mean, even the storms that moved through earlier this morning were dropping 1 to 2 inches of rainfall per hour, and then just kind of adding that to what we saw on Sunday and what we saw yesterday as well. So kind of widespread 4 to 5 inches of rain. This is radar estimated, but we will get the numbers, the more official numbers, as we get closer to the end of this prolonged wet weather event. So it does look like we're going to still be seeing anywhere from 1 inch of rain for some of our more western counties to closer to 5 inches of rainfall accumulating between now and 10 o'clock in the evening on Friday. And then the rain chances start to come at least down as we get into the weekend. Hopefully we're done with them as we get into next week. So this is what we're kind of watching for. You've got these storms for this afternoon pushing farther to the east, so shouldn't be an issue for even Paris, Mineola in the next hour or so. We are going to watch in Central Texas, though, maybe seeing some of this heavier rain clip some of our southern and southeastern counties. We'll watch those counties under that tornado watch as well. But the overall severe threat, I think, for North Texas, with the exception of flooding, is kind of on the lower side. Now, once we get into the overnight hours, question of whether we get some more new development and then into tomorrow morning, maybe seeing some heavier rain once again. So we've still got coverage at 60% for tomorrow, 50% on Thursday, and then you start to see by Sunday rain chances down to 20%, Ken.